What happens when you take Formula One and remove the drivers? In Abu Dhabi, something historic just happened. 6 fully autonomous race cars battled each other at the A2RL Championship, and the results shocked everyone. Welcome to the future of racing. The Abu Dhabi Autonomous Racing League, A2RL, just hosted its first ever Grand Final at the iconic Yas Marina Circuit. No drivers, no remote control. Just pure AI versus AI. These teams program their cars to think, react, strategize, and race at top speed completely on their own. 6 autonomous cars lined up on the grid, each powered by advanced robotics, machine learning systems, and real-time decision-making algorithms. Once the lights went out, the AIs showed just how aggressive they can be. High-speed overtakes, razor-thin cornering, and bold strategies you wouldn't expect from machines. But the race wasn't perfect. Halfway through the competition, a major collision occurred, the moment that changed the entire leaderboard. One AI miscalculated a braking point, clipped another car, and sent it into the barrier. This wasn't just a race. It was machine learning happening at 250 km/h. In the end, Team TUM from Germany claimed the championship title, beating Italy's Unimore in an incredibly close finish. A2RL marks a turning point in robotics and artificial intelligence. No drivers, no fear, no human limitations. Just machines learning to be faster than us. This is more than a race. It's the preview of a world where AI doesn't just assist us, it competes. Would you trust an autonomous car at 250 km/h? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future tech breakdowns.